The tropical cyclone Debbie continues to intensify whilst she is currently Cat 4. Is she going to reach a high range Cat 4 system before making land, or even the Cat 5 status? My name is David Tones and I'm here in Brisbane, and this is Force 13 Australia Oceania channel, attempting to bring as much information via these video updates. As mentioned in the previous update, the Bureau of Meteorology's Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre is now issuing hourly advices. Radio transmitters within the affected areas are now requested to use the emergency warning signal prior to transmitting the updated information. This is the latest hourly forecast track map for Debbie, and of concern is the track cone, and it's now including Hughenden, Aramac, Emerald, Rockhampton, St. Lawrence, but that's only as a tropical low at this point in time. Okay, we'll just scroll down the page. Warning zone is for Lucinda to St. Lawrence, including Townsville, Mackay, the Whitsunday Islands extending inland to Charter Towers and Mount Coolon. As mentioned, the area extends to Pentland and Moranbah, and the cancelled areas are now Cardwell to Lucinda. Severe Tropical Cyclone Debbie as at 2100 hours is a Cat 4. Sustained winds in the centre of 165 kilometres per hour with wind gusts to 230 kilometres per hour. Locations within 30 kilometres to 19.6 degrees south, 149.8 degrees east, 175 kilometres east-north-east of Bowen, and 190 kilometres north-north-east of Mackay. Movement west-southwest at 7 kilometres an hour, and Tropical Cyclone Debbie may have slowed down, but very slightly. As mentioned, Debbie, whilst Category 4 system may intensify further. The very destructive core tropical cyclone Debbie is forecast to cross the coast between Ayr and Cape Hillsborough, north of Mackay Tuesday morning, with wind gusts potentially to 275 kilometres an hour near the centre of the system. Destructive winds with gusts over 125 kilometres an hour will develop about the exposed Cason Islands between Ayr and Mackay tonight. These winds may extend further northwest along the coast to Townsville, the adjacent inland areas including Collinsville, Charterstown, Mount Coolon during Tuesday. Gales are now occurring about the Whitsunday Islands and the nearby coast. They're expected to extend to the remaining exposed Cason Islands elsewhere between Townsville and St Lawrence tonight. Now, as mentioned, this is the wind shear, and we'll have a look at the floaters. There is no doubt that Tropical Cyclone Debbie, her eye is really noticeable, it really stands out. And considering it's 21:25, the next 8 hours will be a period where all Bureau's Queensland warnings will have to be monitored closely. Of concern, as mentioned in the previous update, is the rainfall factor, as some isolated areas could see in excess of 500 millimetres of rain. So with Tropical Cyclone Debbie now a Cat 4, percentages there for it to intensify further. Is she going to reach a Cat 5 status? And as mentioned, stay tuned to Force 13's main channel and the Australia Oceania channel. And bye for now.